A healthful breakfast is one that contains nutritious foods that provide energy and make a person feel full, which can help prevent overeating later in the day. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to another video, the ultimate destination for all things wellness. And today we have a fantastic topic in store for you. We'll be diving into the 10 healthiest foods that you should incorporate into your morning routine for a kickstart to a vibrant day. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable health tips. Now, let's jump right in. Number 1, oats. Oats are a powerhouse of nutrients, providing a healthy dose of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're known for their ability to keep you full, stabilize blood sugar levels, and improve heart health. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal, topped with fruits for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Number 2, berries. We have berries, nature's little superfoods. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These little gems contribute to improved brain function, reduced inflammation, and support a healthy immune system. Add a handful of berries to your morning yogurt or cereal to kickstart your day with a burst of flavor and nutrients. Number 3, avocado. These creamy delights are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. Avocados support heart health, promote skin radiance, and provide a satisfying and filling breakfast option. Spread avocado on whole grain toast or add slices to your omelet for a nutrient-packed morning treat. Number 4, Greek yogurt. This dairy delight is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics. Protein helps in muscle repair and keeps you feeling full, while probiotics support gut health. Enjoy a bowl of Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and some nuts for a delicious and protein-packed morning snack. Number 5, chia seeds. These seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and various nutrients. They provide sustained energy, aid in digestion, and support heart health. Mix chia seeds with your favorite milk and let it soak overnight for a quick and nutritious chia pudding to enjoy in the morning. Number 6, spinach. This leafy green is a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spinach supports bone health, aids in digestion, and boosts your immune system. Add a handful of fresh spinach to your morning smoothie or incorporate it into your omelet for a nutrient boost. Number 7, almonds. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins. They promote heart health, support weight management, and provide a quick energy boost. Grab a handful of almonds as a convenient on-the-go snack or sprinkle them over your morning cereal for added crunch. Number 8, eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They contribute to muscle development, keep you feeling full, and support brain health. Enjoy them scrambled, poached, or in an omelet for a satisfying and nutritious breakfast. Number 9, quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing sustained energy and supporting weight management. Swap your traditional grains for quinoa in your morning bowl for a nutrient-dense and gluten-free option. Number 10, green tea. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits, including improved metabolism, enhanced brain function, and a boost to the immune system. Replace your morning coffee with a cup of green tea to kickstart your day with a refreshing and health-boosting beverage. There you have it, the top 10 healthiest foods to include in your morning routine. Remember, a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a successful and energized day. Which of these foods is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.